I'm selfish, get jealous. I feel a little helpless. My whole world has shifted again. You made a promise, I kept it. Now I'm second guessing. My whole world has shifted again. Now I drive back to an empty room, and it's setting in. Now that your things are gone, what have I done? Was everything worth this? I guess I deserve this. Why do I run whenever I'm hurting? I guess I'm still learning how to love. What have I done?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lamar and this is Crayfix with Lamar. So if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, for tuning in. I appreciate your support this far. So for the new guys, welcome. Be sure to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. And for the old subscribers, continue sharing, liking and commenting on the comment section. I really appreciate your support. So let's get on today's video. As you can see, today I'm in a different location. So guys, I'm celebrating my first year wedding anniversary. Yes, I got married on 11th of December 2021. So yeah, this is my first year anniversary and definitely we got to celebrate it. So I'm going to show you a room tour of my staycation. I'm just around somewhere, yeah. So I just thought, why not share with these guys, because this place is so beautiful and I don't mind sharing with you guys. I want you to see it, and yeah, I'm sure you're going to love it. Take a look at that. Let's start with the bathroom. So it's a sliding door. I really like how easy it is to use. And oh my gosh, this bathroom is so beautiful. Let me just show you everything. We have some clean towels over here. The towels are already given away where we are. Look at the shower head. I really wish I could have this in my house, but one day. Look at that. So vintagey, and I also like the tiles. They match the showers. So good. So beautiful. Look at that. It's giving the loo over there, and I like that they have the shampoos. There's a body lotion. Let me focus on that. Shampoo, shower gel, sanitary bag, shower cap, soap. The other one is soap as well, as you can see. Toilet paper. I like the soily vibe they have going on. Look at that. We have a blow dryer here. Is it a blow dryer? A hair dryer. Hi. Hi. Then I like the fact that they have a mirror where you can use, oops, to do your makeup. So thoughtful, so thoughtful. Hi again. Look at the sinks. It's a his and hers kind of vibe. That and that. I also like the tubs. They're so cute. I like the vintage soily vibe they have going on. So good. So beautiful. Yeah. So that's the bathroom. Then up next, we have the storage area where you can just put your bags and shoes. I really like how classy this space looks. Look at that. So we have our stuff here, some other stuff here. Then next we have our outfits for the night. So you're going to have some dinner. So yeah. Here. Then they have some beautiful robes. Oh, very soft and plush and chic. So cute. So when you need to relax, you're going to change into that. Then here they have a small kitchen area. You have a kettle, some glasses for tea or coffee. If you're a tea or coffee person, water glasses. They have some beverages. We have some alcoholic beverages and the soft drinks, some water. So for these, for the beverages and snacks, you have to pay if you're using them. So yeah, they come at an extra cost. They don't come with the package for the room. Then we have a small refrigerator here. We also have some chilled wine, some Red Bull, some Smirnoff, Guarana, some soda, and this is my drink. I was having a Long Island, so I'll take it later. I just want it to be cold. I've had enough for now. So this part is like a nice entryway. Look at that. I also like the carvings on the wall. It's so beautiful. Look at that. They're just giving a lot of Swahili vibe. I feel like I'm in Swahili Beach. You know, if you've been to Swahili Beach, you know how it looks like. It's giving that kind of vibe, and I really love it. I'm feeling so relaxed, chilled. It's giving good vibes. So they also have very big wall mirrors. One on this side, the other one on the other side. I'll show you. As you also can see the background, that is where our headboard is facing.
Just to change this, I don't want to waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. All going stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it, let's stay like now. And it's stuck in my...
Up next, we have this small, nice Swahili lounging area. As you can see, so pretty, so pretty. I really love it. You can actually sleep here because yeah, the cushion is very comfortable, very comfortable. Then, as you can see, look at that table. They have this antique, vintage Swahili vibe. I'm really vibing into it. I really love it. It's so classy. Look at that. And so clean. Look at that. And behind this huge curtain, they have there's a door to the outside. You can open to the outside of the room. Let me just show you how beautiful it looks like. It's so gorgeous. enjoy time with nature. Yeah, I love it.
When I should make my way out. Home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get it. Days of staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. Doggone stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it as it's daylight now and it's stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best. I know, oh well, but this time will not be the same. It's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head. Cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out.
And now, last but not least, the most favorite part of the room for me. Come and see.
And it's about time that I get it up. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head. Cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. Home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get it. Days of staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. Doggone stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it as it's daylight now and it's stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best. I know, oh well, but this time will not be the same. It's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head. Cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out.
So guys, I just had to change it to something comfortable. I feel so good, so that I don't get any jumps on the bed. So let me show you the full bed. And they were so kind to give us our warm water, hot water bottle, because I think it kind of gets very cold around here. So here it is. So we're just going to put it under the duvet so that when we are ready to sleep, it's going to be warm. Just put that under there. Okay, so as you can see, the Swahili vibe goes on. This is the wall behind our headboard. It's so beautiful. It's just giving Swahili Beach Hotel. Swahili Beach, yeah. Swahili Beach vibes. Look at that. I also like the gypsum and the small pots. They're so cute. There. And also on the other side, as you can see, I also love the matching. put comments down on the comment section below. Tell me what you call this. And also the pillows, they're so comfortable. Oh my god, can't wait to use them. They're so comfortable. They bend, and also the mattress is so strong, so comfortable. Yeah. When you sleep on it, it's also so soft. The beddings are so soft and lush. I love them. So yeah, this is where we're going to sleep for the night. Then yeah, that's it for the room tour. So next we are going to get ready for dinner. I'm going to show you that, a bit of that, and then our outfits for tonight.
But this time will not be the same. It's still now and I'm stuck in my bed. Still now and I'm stuck in my head. Cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. Home is still now, gotta open my eyes. Still now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get up. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead.
2,000 years later.
8 a.m. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's still now and I'm stuck in my bed. Still now and I'm stuck in my head. Cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. Home is still now, gotta open my eyes. Still now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get. Hey, stop staying in the same bed. I need a kick.